Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and I'm here at Clever Vans. I want to show you this tiny van. It's the Tour 540. It's the smallest van you can get on a chassis, which allows you to stand up inside and is self-contained. That, for me, is how I define a tiny van. And I've come to this one in particular because last night I met Connie from Cologne, who had just bought one of these, and I do appreciate Connie might not be entirely au fait with the language used in the industry, but I didn't understand the layout. So I came here directly, and it is a layout we have seen in the past. So, but it's nice vehicle, but it costs 64,500 euros, right, which is a little bit more than others, and is a Clever Vans vehicle as well, but it is quite nice. Coming here, got a fridge that opens both ways. We've got this is the button that moves the step in and out down here. Actually, I do. Oh, what's happening here? There you go. Actually, I do find that in a slightly inconvenient position. I want to explain to you why. I know this is the I touched it as I came in, because I normally pull myself in like that, and I think you may think, well, yeah, that's great. What could be a better position for it? It's just that anyway. Where else could they put? I've got to come up with solutions. I think it might be better here if there's room for it, and there may not be. That's just a minor, dreadfully minor point. Others may think, yeah, you're totally wrong. You see, sort of, I pull myself in. Mind you, I don't tend to put the step out, so. And in mine, it's a lot higher than it is in here. It's a lovely finish, though, I've got to say this. Clever Vans, originally designed to be a cheap version of Purcell, and it looks very nice in here. Contoured front bench seats, largish table for a vehicle of this size. We've got this very nice kitchen block, 2 burners. We've got a sink. We've got storage down here. Oh yeah, proper sides to the drawers. Sorry, I can't put any more lights on. I did try though. And then we've got in here so it does look a bit dark. Storage at the back. This board, I suspect, may be part of a thing to make a bed from, or it could be from another vehicle. You can take the board out here, you see, so you can get in the back. I'll show you the back, assuming it's open when I get there. Step here up. I'm stepping on the step up, and we've got this rather nice storage unit at the back, and storage here. Let's have a look in the washroom. This is a very practical. The only thing I say wrong with it is there's only one drainage point. Mind you, I'd have heard 2 things wrong with it, and the drainage point isn't the size I like. But other than that, you know, it's a tiny van. Look how much space there is inside. As I come in, there's me in the mirror. Sensible sliding door behind me. Now, I've mentioned this in a number of videos. Toilet doubles. It's a dual purpose. I'm sure somebody writes some rude joke now. It's a dual purpose implement. What the first one is a toilet, and the second one has a chair whilst you're washing yourself. It makes it much easier to wash yourself in a small environment. I've got to say that also this thing here is going to be quite easy to clean as well. The easiest to clean are the bench toilets. This comes out as well to make a sink should you want one. There's the window, so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside whilst you're having a shower. Close this. Yeah, I quite like this. I'll show you this as on the way out. Inside the storage unit. This one's on a Citroen automatic. If you got it on a manual, it'll be, well, it depends actually. It might be as much as 8,000 euros cheaper. How much does the, yeah, in this case it's 3,500. Obviously I was thinking with an engine upgrade as well. There we go. Let's have a look at the back. Gas in here. Space for 2 gas cylinders. As always, you can start messing around with all this if you want. It'll come out. You can put it up to one side. Gives you all of this storage space below. There's a bar down here, which I don't know what that's there for, but I'm sure it's there for a very important purpose. And lashing straps in the floor, so you can take out that thing over there as well. That divider come out completely, and so it gives you a lot of space for storing things. But the finishing is really, really nice. Windows in the doors. Obviously actually, I prefer these things to the plisse. I think I'm in a minority on that one, but the plisse, these ones are very easy to clean, whereas the plisse you can't clean them at all. At least you can. I haven't found a way of doing it. Oh, I'll mention this as well. These are much better windows than you see in most vehicles of this type. You've got a reversing camera there. Oh, this is a nice van. Yep, I like that. You want a negative thing? No insulation in the door. Water will go in here. The tank, most people put the tank here actually in any case, so the water tank goes there. Right, so I want some bit more technical details of it. Right, fresh water 100, wastewater 90. Currently has 100. I think it's an 8. It's either lead acid or an AGM, I don't know. Battery, you want to change that, get a lithium one stuck in there. And, oh sorry, I said 2. I did say 2, but it's 1 full-size gas and 1 5 kilo gas. I missed that when I looked at it. And you can here, extra, you can make an extra sleeping place if you want to. There's 4 belted positions, extra sleeping place there, and I think that was what that bit that's lying on the bed would do. I'm going to close the door. I'll show you how to turn the lights off while I'm here. Let's go through the whole whack. Right, you don't have to turn them all off individually. Go up here and press the 12 volt of this one. So if that should turn the lights off. All right then. I'll turn them off here. There you go. Turn the 12 volt off. And this one doesn't want to go off. Never mind. There's the lights off. Oh, and if I turn the 12... Is this open or not? There you go. Step out. Press the button. Nice slide in. Okay. Clever Vans 20540 gets my vote of approval. I'm now going to have a look at the Drive 540, which is on the other side, but you'll have to see that in a different video. Thanks for watching.